Well, snow's melted. Beginning of March here. Got the old girl pulled out of the yard. Got the Christmas decorations off of it. And I'm going to take her for a rip. Just threw a quart of oil in there and about another quart of gear lube in the rear end. Should be good to go. Probably clean the fold plug out, but it'll be fine. It's a 52 International L112. It's got the 4-speed T9 transmission, which is unsynchronized, so she gets a little rough in between gear shifts, so bear with me. Check the brakes before I left. Good thing they still work. Clean her out. really made her back in one piece. I appreciate you riding along with me. There's plenty more to do on this truck. I got a long road ahead of me, but I'm just kind of tinkering with it a little bit at a time. I actually, from day one until now, the truck has been in the garage once, and that was to put the Christmas lights on it. Other than that, it has been completely all done out in the yard, laying in the dirt, all the fun stuff. I knew if I pulled it in and started working on it, tearing it apart, it would never get put back together. And pretty pleased to say that I got a project on the road. Doesn't happen very often. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. There's going to be plenty more videos of this truck coming in the near future here. So definitely stay tuned. Give this video a like if you want, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.